So again in this crypto video we will talk about Titano Finance, and this is the official website of Titano Finance, titano.finance. And first of all, the thing which you need to see is it has already been audited by Certic. You can see here that it has already been audited by Certic. When you will come at this website, then you can see this, it has already been audited by Certic. They also launched their DEX. So this is the website of Titano Finance. If you want to buy Titano, you can buy it from here, okay, by clicking here. Market cap you can see here, $10.81 million, fixed APY and Titano holders. Till now there is 80,000 Titano holders. Now this is their social media website. If you want to connect, you can connect with them through Twitter, Telegram, Discord, okay. And regarding Titano audit, you can check here. So you can see the trust score also regarding Titano audit, 80 by 100. So let me accept this. Got it. So this is the official website of Titano Finance. So after that you can see there is one option, launch app. You just need to click on this, and after clicking on this you can connect your wallet from here. So you will get many options to connect your wallet, like MetaMask, Binance wallet, Coinbase wallet, and if you click on more now, then you will get many more options to connect your wallet. After that, here you can see the circulating supply of Titano Finance, which is 49.87 billion, liquidity is $1.43 million, and treasury is $8.25 million. Also you can win up to $27,000.94 from Titano lottery. For this you need to buy the Titano token. Play the Titano lottery, give a chance to win a huge. Play the Titano lottery gives you a chance to win huge prizes. It's easy and fair. So if you want, you can win this, okay. If you have any question, just click on launch app and see, and then you need to click on still got question and click on more details. So after that, if you want, you can read all this, okay. And here you can, here if you want to that what is rebase token, what is treasury, what is APY, you can see everything here, okay. That has been powered by Gitbook. If you want to contact them, you can easily contact them by clicking on contact option. If you have any question, then you can ask them a question also by clicking on frequently asked question. Also, if you want to create an account, just click on account, okay. And after clicking on an account, connect in wallet, and they will show you that how much you have for now. If you want to check deck screener Gcoterminal, you can check also. So this is the official website of Titano token, which I just showed you now. And according to expert, now Titano Finance have 82k holders. Now what expert think related to the holders of Titano token? Expert think that very soon they will cross 1 lakh holders, or more than 1 lakh holders also. And in near future they will cross 5 lakh holders also. So Titano token is one of the good token. If you want to invest, you can, but before investment, do proper crypto market research. So here you can see, here you get one option of SWYCH. So just click on SWYCH, and after clicking, you can see here that if you send, just a second, 1 BNB, then you will get how much of Titano? 12,82,280 Titano token. If you send 0.001 BNB, then you get 5130.15 Titano. And if you send 0.01 BNB, you will receive 12825.3 Titano. For that, what you need to do, you just need to click on connect wallet, and after that you need to connect your wallet. Just click on wallet connect, and after that you can connect wallet. Just click on connect. After that you can choose any option what you want. Since I have some network issue, so I will try after some time. And if you want to see the white paper in swych, you can click on white paper to see this. So now we'll go in coinmarketcap and we'll talk about the current price chart of Titano Finance. But before that, we'll go in the Twitter account of Titano Finance. So this is the official Twitter account of Titano Finance. And if I click on tweet and replies, so if there is any latest tweet, we can see here. And 5 hours ago, Titano has posted something. Titans, hope you have all had an awesome weekend. We are down to just 6 minutes in phase 6 on last block. Things might start to get wild soon. So something interesting is coming. You can see here. Hey Titans, in 5 minutes, David is going to have a live chat with the Titano community member called Dicky Smudge. He's been talking to him recently and thought it's good to let everyone in the conversation. So this tweet has been made 17 hours ago. So there is a giveaway also in celebration of SWYCH. We are giving away $150 BUSD to the best promo material / art of SWYCH. $50 BUSD to the best meme for SWYCH and $25 to tweets sharing excitement for SWYCH using SWYCH and Titano. It will end on October 10th. So if you haven't participated in this, you can participate. You have a chance to win $25 or $50. So this is some of the awesome tweet related to Titano Finance. And for now, you can see here, I can't see any latest tweet. Okay, whatever the tweet is there, I have shown you. Now we'll go in CoinMarketCap and we'll check the current price chart. But before that, Titano Finance of 38.3k followers, which can cross 40k followers in the near future according to expert. Now we'll go in CoinMarketCap. But before that, if you haven't followed Titano Finance on Twitter, then follow them. And please subscribe my channel also. I have provided my Telegram channel link also. Join it. Link you will get in description box. So currently, I am in CoinMarketCap and here you can see that if you want to buy Titano, you can buy Titano from PancakeSwap V2 SWYCH. If you want to buy Titano from SWYCH, you can buy it with a pair of WBNB, BUSD, USDT, USDC. And if you want to buy Titano Finance from PancakeSwap V2, you can buy it with a pair of WBNB and BUSD. Okay, before I move ahead, please comment below that which one is your favorite crypto. Is it Jasmy coin, bitgert, BNB, BTT? And this is now we will talk about some technical analysis related to Titano. That what can be the near future price prediction of Titano. Now we'll talk about this also. So currently we will talk about the current price chart of Titano. So here you can see that currently the price of Titano is $0.402023, and in 24 hours this token has gone down to 7.82%. But what experts think related to Titano crypto, that between 2027 to between 2033, there is the high chance that Titano can cross $1 or even $2. What experts think related to Titano crypto, that between 2027 to 2033, this coin has a high chance either to cross $1 or $2. Whereas you can see here, if I talk about the trading volume, so let me inform you this also. If I talk about the trading volume, so currently the price of trading volume of Titano Finance is $4200.85, and in 24 hours this crypto has gone down to 2.06%. And if I talk about fully diluted market cap price, it is $1,68,911.13. So this is the video related to the Titano Finance. And one request, if you want to watch more video related to Titano crypto, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So we'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video. This is just a simple video on Titano Finance. And again I am repeating that before having an investment in any crypto, do a proper crypto market research. Why? Because crypto market is highly volatile. When crypto will go up and when crypto will go down, no one can say exactly. Only there can be a prediction related to crypto. Please comment below your favorite crypto. Either it is loobr, growth token, Saudi shibainu, bitgert, jasmy coin. Which one is your favorite crypto? Comment below. So we'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video. Till then, take care of yourself. And again repeating, before investment, do a proper crypto market research. Why? Because crypto market is highly volatile. When crypto will go up and when crypto will go down, no one can say exactly.